Viking Pump's stainless steel O-Pro Guard Seal is the latest in sealing technology and is a superior solution to packing and can extend the life of the rotor shaft assembly. The O-Pro Guard Seal has many features that make it an effective replacement for packing. With 2 shaft O-rings, 2 bushing O-rings, and 1 outer bracket O-ring, the Guard Seal creates a sealing area between the seal and a protective sleeve around the shaft, as well as keeping processed liquid from leaking out of the bracket. The sleeve between the seal and shaft will protect the shaft from wear. Viking Pump offers FKM O-rings in standard industry sizes. Distributors can change elastomers to fit customer needs. Matching operating temperature to the elastomer's capability is important and will help ensure quality sealing performance. Lubricant or grease is injected into the O-Pro Guard Seal through an access hole on the exterior of the seal. This grease fills the space between the 2 shaft O-rings, lubricating the seal and sleeve, ensuring smooth operation of the pump. The bracket bushing is lubricated by processed liquid, just as it is with other sealing methods, allowing for greater flexibility in bushing materials. For installation, the O-Pro Guard Seal replaces the packing gland and packing. After removing the packing gland and packing, the O-Pro Guard Seal can be installed. Lubricate the O-rings to make installation easier and limit the potential of damaging the O-rings. The packing gland bolts can be reused to secure the O-Pro Guard Seal in place. Once assembled, grease can be pumped into the access hole on the seal to completely surround the protective sleeve. The O-Pro Guard Seal is the perfect choice for a number of applications, including corn syrup, edible oils, paint, ink, grease, and more. With its stainless steel construction, it meets the needs of many stainless steel processes. The maximum RPM of your pump depends on its size and material of construction. Making sure to run your pump under maximum recommended speeds will ensure high performance for a long time. If you are looking to stop a leaking packed or sealed pump, O-Pro Seal technology may be your best solution. With the option to have O-Pro Seals installed in a new pump or to retrofit an existing one, you can stop your pump leaking today. For more information, visit VikingPump.com.